They're just smile lines. They're normal. We've all heard it, right? Even babies have them. But let's be real. If you're looking in the mirror hating your nasolabial folds, being told it's normal feels like a total brush-off. Today, I'm busting the biggest myth in aesthetics, because fixing these lines isn't about chasing the crease. It's about understanding the foundation. After 25 years of facial analysis, I'm giving you the raw, unfiltered truth about what actually works, what's a total money grab, and what could seriously ruin your face. The filler trap and migration. Let's talk about the standard doctor's pitch. Oh, just pump 5 syringes of filler into your cheeks and temples to lift it. Sounds like a cash grab? Because it often is. Then you see the viral TikTok saying, fill the periphery for a V-shape. Sure, it worked for one injector, but here's the scary reality. Look at this MRI of a 33-year-old who got 12 syringes of hyaluronic acid over 6 years. The filler didn't stay put. It migrated everywhere. Why? Because HA fillers are hydrophilic. They suck in water like a sponge. Trying to erase a smile line by overfilling can turn your face into a puffy, bloated balloon. And since the mouth is the most dynamic, moving part of your face, that filler is going to travel. The $350 black market warning. And please stop hunting for bargains. If you see someone offering smile line filler for $350 in the US, run. A legitimate FDA-approved syringe plus expert labor should cost closer to $2,000. Cheap clinics are literally washing and refilling used syringes with fake, non-approved gel. If that fake stuff hits your facial artery, it causes a vascular occlusion, a medical emergency. And guess where your discount injector is at 3 a.m. when your skin starts dying? Sleeping. Natural alternatives, gua sha and tape. What about the cheap stuff? Face taping can work great for frown lines, but nasolabial folds are anatomically too complex for a quick tape job. Face exercises? They require insane patience, and honestly, results vary. But gua sha? Now we're talking. It boosts blood flow, releases deep muscle tension, and helps with lymphatic drainage. It won't erase a deep fold, but it keeps the tissue healthy. My 3-phase solution. So what's my 25-year blueprint? It comes down to 3 phases. Phase 1, acceptance and skin-first prevention. If it's minor or genetic, leave it alone. Prioritize medical-grade skincare, sunscreen, and red light LED therapy. Phase 2, structural support, the sweet spot. If you've lost weight thanks to running or GLP-1 or Ozempic, your fat pads are deflating. This is where we use conservative deep fillers, acting like bone implants, combined with biostimulators like Sculptra. They rebuild your own collagen over time without the water bloat. And since the mouth is the most dynamic, moving part of your face, that filler is going to travel. Phase 3, surgery. If your cheeks have fully migrated down and your jawline is collapsing, no syringe can fight gravity. Trying to fix a Phase 3 sag with a Phase 2 filler is why people look alien. That's when a deep, plain facelift is the only natural-looking option. Stop chasing the puddle. Fix the leaking roof. Know your phase, choose wisely, and protect your unique beauty.